Today we will change the EGR valve to the Skoda Fabia 2 1.6 TDI. At this model, the EGR valve is behind the engine. To remove the EGR valve, we will have to lower the front axle and remove the particle filter. After this procedure, we have room to work on EGR valve. For the start, we need to disconnect these plugs. Remove this screw. We remove the sensor with a 22 key and the plug of him. Now we take out the car shield. We need to remove the exhaust pipe from this support. Now we start to unscrew the screws to lower the front axle. We only loosen these two screws for the beginning. We remove these two screws with an extension cord. We have one to the left and one to the right of the front axle. Now we have to unscrew this one. Remove this 13 screw. We remove these two supports that hold the exhaust pipe. In our case, they need to be replaced. Now we'll remove the particle filter bracket. Remove this clip and the hose. I didn't remove the sensor from the particle filter. I just removed the plugs. If you do like me, be careful when you take out the particle filter. Now completely unscrew these two screws to lower the axle. Remove these 4 screws and carefully remove the particle filter. Now you have to undo everything I show you to have access to EGR valve. Now we will remove the antifreeze from the installation. put a new EGR valve and we will put everything back together. This is all, thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.